Taking bets on whether you're the tight ass.
Butt search.
No, really, what happened?
Nick, what happened?
What happened? Talk to the camera.
We rolled up in there and we was like, yo, let me get a bottle of liquor, right?
Yeah?
Next thing I know,
Getting arrested. No, it's
undercover cop, two big ass policemen come up in there.
So awesome.
Keep going.
And they be
not
like,
awesome, but like different.
they be like,
Hey,
come with us.
Yeah.
So we went with them. And then they searched us. We ain't got shit. Well, they didn't find our shit.
Thinking the same thing.
And then they let us go. And that's all there is to the story, baby.
I like it. How do you guys feel?
Relieved.
How about you, Dilly girl?
Off the hook. Off the hook.
Like you didn't have anything on you. Beautiful. Very good.